The Real Miss Type Productions.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's The Real Miss Tay. And before we do get this video started, I want you guys to go subscribe to my channel, because I don't want y'all watching my videos and y'all can't even subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, click the little button, the red one. And if you like this video, like the video for me. And if you want to learn anything else, or you have questions about anything, or you just got something to say, drop a comment, okay? Well, we're about to get straight into it. I don't want to talk y'all to death. I know when I watch certain things, I'll be like, look, skip this, because I don't want to hear that, okay? So today what we're going to be doing is a do-it-yourself at home conditioner and also shampoo on a budget. I know that some of my girls that's not afraid to say that we broke sometimes. We on the budget, so we just need to find ways to keep our beauty enhanced on a budget. Okay, so the products that's going to be used is going to be VO5. Got it from, I believe, the Walmart, I believe. I got it from Walmart. This is the conditioner, and this is the shampoo, shampoos and conditioners that I'm going to be using today. So, I'm going to just tell y'all some pros and cons about it, and then I got some bonus tips for y'all to add into the conditioner. So, the main things that I love just about using these, and if I'm just in a rush or I'm broke, this is my go-to. So they have vitamin E, vitamin C, B5, B3, and they have your essential oils. I'm a big person on essential oils. I learned that when you have these certain oils in your hair, it helps you a lot with growth, with repair, with killing that dead skin throughout your scalp. So that's one of the main reasons I use this. One of the cons for this is it does kind of dry your hair out. So if you don't add something to it, like a little here and there, then it's probably not going to give you the look that you really want. I'm going to teach y'all a little trick for the conditioner. It's of your choice if you want to use it. Try it out. Let me know how y'all like it, you know what I'm saying, and go from there. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so we just mixed our conditioner. So we about to shampoo it up. We're going to use our shampoo. And when I do my hair, I like to section my hair out in parts, because it is getting a little bit lengthy, and I want to make sure that all of the product is throughout my hair, especially since it's low budget. You want to really make sure that you're distributing these products correctly and thoroughly. Y'all know that word I'm looking for thoroughly. TH thoroughly, okay? Next. So I'm gonna part my hair here. It doesn't have to be a straight part, but I like to start it off straight at the top, just so I can have like a little bit of guidance. But if you parting your hair, it doesn't really need to be just a straight part back. For this part, it's just the shampooing part and conditioning part. So for the shampoo, I divide my hair into 2 parts. For the conditioner, I divide my hair out into 4 parts. So after I've done my division of both sides, I just take a wig brush. You can find these at your local beauty supplies, Walmart, your even HEB have them. You just go to the aisles where they have, you know, hair products, house supplies, stuff like that. So I just take my brush, wig brush, and you're supposed to comb from the bottom up. Sometimes I don't, so if you see me doing that, I'm sorry. But you're just going to comb your ends out and come up. Comb your ends out and come up. I'm not trying to do a full comb through because it's gonna get wet anyway. So I'm just wanting to get that the tangle out of my hair so that when I put the product on, it's not put on incorrectly, you know. So hair, and I flat ironed my hair about 2 weeks ago. So this is like 2 weeks worth of me wearing my hair flat iron. It was humid outside, as you know. I'm from Texas. You made the beat. Yeah. The weather one day is cold, one day is cold and raining, one day is hot, one day like make your mind up. Make your mind up. You can't make your mind up. And we can't make it up with you. So this is how my hair turns out after so long. I can show y'all pictures of what it looks like. Flat irons, real pretty by your girl. And if y'all want to see videos about silk press, just let me know down in the comments and I'll hook y'all up. So let's go ahead and get started. I know I keep saying that, but we gonna go ahead and get started. So my hair is dry. I know y'all look at that and like, what? So I am gonna take just a little bit of water just to damp it really quickly. And then what I'm gonna do is put the shampoo throughout my hair. And essentially you want it to have that soapy look with shampoo. Just to move your hands around. When you create that soap, it creates, when you create that soapy reaction, it creates a friction for your hair to remove the dirt, debris, all of this stuff that may not be visible to you just yet. It'll grab that and take it out. Grease, dirt, that's what you're trying to do. Work it through your hair. So what I'm going to do is wet my hair just a little bit. Just a little bit. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit. And you want to keep you a towel near. I have my pink one as I saw in the beginning. But you want to keep you like a medium size or a large size towel for this process, because right now I'm just damping it just a little bit just to put the product on. But essentially your hair will be drenched in water, so you need a towel, period. I just thought I need to tell y'all that. And also, if y'all not listening to the Summer Walker in y'all background, then you need to just go ahead and exit off my video. Exit. So I don't want to get you high. You're the only one I think. And I like wearing white shirts and black shirts because it's very easy to get the dirt out. White shirts, after a while, they kind of, it's time to put them in the trash, you know. You don't want to put too much product on your hair because, again, this is a low budget shampoo and conditioner. It's not going to work like your regular salon shampoo or some of these shampoos that are very popular. Now I will be making more videos on the products that I will be using. I know for sure I do want to try like Kaleidoscope, the Main Choice, some of the black owned products. I'm going to be trying those, so just stay tuned for those videos. And I think I'm about done with my shampoo. As y'all can see, I have it all through my hair. I ran my hands through my hair, so it should pretty much be through. But when you are shampooing your hair, you want to try to make sure that you're shampooing your hair at least twice. So I'm going to run my water through my hair for the first time, and then I'm going to put more shampoo on there and run the water through my hair one more time, make sure that all the dirt is out, and then I'll be ready to come out for a conditioner. Alright, I'm back. So this is what my hair looks like out of the shampoo, and I've been really working on my defined curls, honey, so they're coming on back. And essentially you want to keep this towel over you. I don't like it because it's too heavy, but for the video's sake, I'll keep it on. So yeah, so this is how it looks. after our shampoo. And really with the conditioner, what I wanted to do is just bring that hydration and that make it look conditioned, you know, not dry, because once my hair dries out from these curls, it grows out. So when it grows out, I want it to grow. When I say grow out, it poofs up. So when it poofs up, I want it to kind of have that oily look, like not overly oily, but you want to keep it hydrated. So before we start our conditioner process, I do want to just give y'all 3 tips really quickly. So one, you want to leave your conditioner on for 30 minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes. You cannot condition your hair and wash it right out. You're not making the product become effective into your hair. So leave it on for about 30 minutes. I'm also going to show y'all a quick little routine I do before I start my 30-minute timer with the conditioner, so stay tuned for that. My second tip is going to be sure to comb through your hair. Section your hair out. Take your time to comb through your hair and make sure that you have no tangle, no excess dirt, whatever it is that is in your hair. I know some girls, sometimes they do quick weaves. So when they wash their hair out, they still have that glue in their hair. When you're combing and you're sectioning your hair out, that helps a lot with that. My third tip would be incorporate oils into your hair. Like I said, you want to have like that almond oil, Jamaican oil, castor oil, something like that. Put it into your hair because it helps to hydrate it and keep it healthy. You don't want to overly do it. You don't want to put too much oil in your hair, because then it will bring your hair down, it will drag your hair, and it will actually cause it not to grow, because that oil will get into your skin and dirt will begin to trap into that oil. So let's go ahead and get started with our conditioner. Alright guys, so what I'm doing is adding the conditioner into my black bowl. Just applying enough to put over my head. I have my coconut oil that I'm going to add. I'm just going to add 1 spoon, and vitamin E oil as well. You're going to do a quick mix, and that will be your quick do-it-yourself at home on a budget conditioner. Y'all saw how I created the conditioner piece here. So this is how it looks. And usually you can really just add the oils in your hair as you go. The coconut oil and vitamin E, you can do that as you go, but I don't like to do that because sometimes I put too much. I put just enough in here so that the conditioner can be effective and also the oils can work together with the product. So now I'm just going to section my hair off into 4 parts. And for this, y'all forgive me. I'm sorry if I'm breaking the rules, but I gotta take this towel off. Alright, so again, I'm just gonna come up here. No, it doesn't have to be a straight part. No, it does not have to be a straight part, but you want it to come back. You want it to. And you see how I got a little tangle after that shampoo? That's that dryness I was telling y'all about with this product. I don't like that. That's the only thing I don't like, but that's why I add my oils to my conditioner so that my hair don't stay dry. And again, this is something, if you're on a budget, I do highly recommend that you find a different shampoo if you're really trying to take care of your hair and help your hair to grow. That is something that I would recommend. Some of the shampoos that I would recommend is definitely argan oil, Moroccan oil, or Moroccan products. I love their products. Also, Cantu is really good. You have these Design Essentials, that's very good. I haven't yet tried Kaleidoscope and the Main Choice. I will very soon, and I'll give y'all a review on that. But those are just some of the conditioners and shampoo lines that I've tried in the past. So you guys can go try them out to see if that works for you as well. But this is just something that's quick. I literally spent $5 on all these products. So $5 to $10. I don't even believe it was $10, but I don't want to lie to y'all, so we'll just say $10. So what I'm doing right now is just sectioning my hair out. I do twist it because this is my stretching part of the hair, process. I love to stretch my hair out because it just kind of tells the hair like, look, I want to grow. You know what I'm saying? So I just stretch my hair and until I'm ready to put the product on. When I'm ready to put the product on, then I untwist it and yep. So now it's time for the conditioner time. And I'll start from the back and work my way up. Simply because the back is what you want to keep the curls for sure. Because I know that I've seen in the past, like, my hair will be so pretty towards the top, but in the bottom, it looks tacky. So it's just too much. Now, what I'm doing right now, I know you guys see me just placing the product on my hair. Yeah, I just like to do that. Just place it on your hair, work your hair through. I don't really use a comb because it kind of messes up my curl pattern. I don't know. I just like using my hands. Your hands are the best tools that God gave you. So I just like using my hands. So I'm going to turn around so y'all can see. I hope y'all can see this. So, yep. And then I don't twist it as much, but I just kind of give it like that long twist just to kind of get it out the way. And I just move my way around my hair. And I'm literally taking a little piece and smacking it, smacking it on the hair. You want to make sure you condition your edges. Yep. No tangles. Make sure my edges have them. Yes, go. No, babe. Alright, so I took it off. I left it on for about 30 to 40 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. As you can see, it's kind of like dropping. I like when it's heavy like that. To me, that means that the product is effective. So I'm going to wash my hair out and come back and show y'all the results. Alright, y'all. So I have washed it out. And this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm loving it. Look at my curls. They're so defined. Oh my gosh, yes. So really, I can just style my hair any way that I want to now. You can use mousse, but I don't really like using mousse because it dries my hair out. So you can do a look. I'm a middle part girl, so if you want to do something like this, you can. So thank you guys for watching my video. That's your do it at home, do it yourself tutorial. Do it yourself tutorial using our products, VO5, shampoo and conditioners. I also taught you guys a trick. Like my video if you have any suggestions or questions, or if you want to provide feedback, you're more than welcome to comment. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'm out, Tabies.